to be a biggie boy, yo. Sure you got the sense. See, use your head before them go use them for you. If you broke, you will know that no one loves you. That is my little advice for you. Give to Male before you give up your nuju. Brotherly biggie, baby. Somebody cash you. Money go bring them come. Listen, www.hustle.com. Ibutike Umundesada. Why?